How to play back a recording. On the home screen, press the play and pause button to start playback of the most recently recorded file. The play indicator will light up green, as you can see here, and then other recordings can be played back via the menu. Once playback has started, you can press the play and pause button to start and pause playback. So you can press it again to pause playback. Pressing and holding button A will search the file backwards. Pressing and holding button B will search the file forwards. Button C will return the file back to the beginning. And pressing the stop button will stop playback altogether. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I really hope you found it helpful. Check out the description for all our other tutorials.